Yes, students. So like last year, this year also, your question paper will be of 80 marks only. Maximum marks. Maximum marks. 80 only. Okay. Now in the till previous year, there were four sections. Four sections. Previous year means in 2019-20, the question paper for mathematics. In this question paper, four sections were there. Section A, B, C and D. Okay. In section A, there were 20 questions. Number of questions 20. Each question for 1 mark. Okay? Clear? Number of questions 20 in this section. 1 mark. Okay. In section B, there were 6 questions of 2 marks each. In section C, there were 6 questions of 4 marks each. In section D, there were 4 questions of 6 marks each. Got the pattern? Previous pattern. Because if I'll tell you the new paper pattern, you should know the previous one also. Okay? Now, in section A, what it was? 10 questions. 10 questions. Splitting of 20 questions. 10 questions. Objective type. Multiple choice questions. 5 questions. Fill in the blanks. And 5 questions. Very short answer type questions. Clear? In the previous. Okay? I am having previous year sample question paper, that also I will send you, and the board question paper also, means this year board question paper also I will send you. Okay? Now the changed pattern, the pattern which will follow in 2020-21, means your seniors now will give the exam and their pattern now I am going to discuss with you. Can I erase this? I erase the part. Okay. So now paper pattern, freedom. Paper pattern. Year 2020-21. See student, now in this year, there are only 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A and part B. Part A and part B. It is not like that 50% means suppose 80 marks question paper is there. So 40 marks for part A and 40 marks for part B. It is not like that. It is not like that. Okay? Now students, in part A, this part is for total 24 marks. And part B for 56 marks. Clear this till this point? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
in part A, in part A, there are two sections. Section 1, section 1. Section 1 and section 2. In section 1, there are 16 very short answer type questions, each for 1 mark. 16 very short answer type questions, each for 1 mark. Getting clear this till? Any doubt? 16 questions, each for 1 mark. And there are 4 internal choices. Means number of questions will not be 20. Means from 20 you have to solve 16. It is not like that. Suppose in question number 1, the question will come for from the chapter relations and functions. First chapter in 12th standard. Relations and functions. One question they will give and one more question in or they will give from the same chapter or same unit. ठीक है ना? And CBSE has given unit wise weightage, not chapter wise weightage. Suppose the unit number 1 in standard 12, relations and functions. In that only 2 chapters are there. First is relation and function and second is inverse trigonometric function. Clear? Yes, beta? Now, 16 very short type questions. In 16 only internal choices are there. 4 internal choices. See student, I got sample question paper for 2020-21 that I am discussing with you this paper. So according to that paper, I am telling you this. Okay? Clear? You can write here because in this question paper, I am having the question paper. So they have given 4 internal choices. Okay, question number 2. Just a minute. In question number 3, 5, 9, okay, or question number 1 also they have given. I think. Yes, in question number 1 also. Okay? If any interval choice is there, you can attempt any one of them, not both. If you attempt 2 questions, means both the questions you will get marks for only one question, not 2. Clear? No doubt in part A, section 1, no doubt. Now, in second section, section 2. This is very important because the changed pattern here now 2 case studies will be there in section 2. In each case study, now you will ask ma'am what is case study? They will give you the information and you have to answer the questions. Okay? And in that questions they will give, I think in this sample paper they have given objective type questions. It's MCQ questions they have given. Now student, this is very important thing. 2 case studies. Suppose case study 1 and case study 2. Okay? First and second. First and second. Each case study include 5 questions of 1 mark each. 5 questions of 1 mark each. 5 questions of 1 mark each. You have to attempt any 4 from this 5. Case 1, 5 questions, attempt any 4. Case 1, 5 questions, attempt any 4. Huh? Same. Case study 2. 5 questions, 1 mark each. Attempt any 4. Okay. So just now I have discussed with 12 standard students. So what they were telling, ma'am, from 10 we have to attempt 8. It is not like that, students. In section 2, there are 10 questions will be there. Total number of questions will be 10. You have to attempt 8. But student, you will get confused with this thing. In case study, if 5 questions are there in first case study, you have to attempt any 4 from the 5. Any 4 from the 5. If you'll attempt 5 from this 5 and 3 from this, you will tell me, ma'am, 8 questions we attempted, but you will get marks only for 4 questions and here for 3 questions only. Clear this thing? Yes, beta? Clear to
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. So student, you can tell me section first will be for 16 marks. 16 questions, 1 mark each, 16 marks. And section 2 will be for how many marks? 8 marks. है ना? Yes or no? 16 marks,
Yes, ma'am.
8 marks. ठीक है? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई भी डाउट है तो अभी क्लियर कर लो. Yes, I will be available after this also, but you please ask me now. Clear? Okay. Sure. Next, now we'll go to part B. So now, no doubt for this 24 marks then, no doubt. And students, today your task is, please explain this pattern to at least 2 people. मतलब वो आपको समझ में आएगा. When you are explaining to others, ना that time only you are getting it. अब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आपको वो सिर्फ 70% समझा है. लेकिन अगर आपको और समझना है वो, तो और 2 लोगों को बताओ ये पैटर्न. जबरदस्ती बिठाओ उनको कि हमारा पैटर्न ये है अभी इस साल से, तो आपको वो और 10% समझ में आएगा अलग से, है ना? क्लियर? नाउ पार्ट बी. Part B. This part B contains 3 sections. Section 3, Section 4 and Section 5. Section 3, Section 4 and Section 5. ठीक है? How many sections are there in part B? Atharva, how many sections are there?
3 sections.
3 sections? Yes. Now, Section 3 will contain each question for 2 marks. Each question for 2 marks. Total 10 questions are there. Section 3 will contain 10 questions, 2 marks each. And internal choices. There are 3 internal choices. Yes. There are 3 internal choices. Clear? Clear to everyone? So total number of questions will be?
Solve 7 out of 10 or 13 out of 10.
10 questions, 2 marks, 3 internal choices, 13 questions. 13 questions. Like section 1, part A, internal choices, you know, from the same unit or from the same chapter. No, they will give you 10 questions only, but from that 10 questions, 3 internal choices are there. Clear अथर्व?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर कोई suppose question number suppose आपका 25 क्वेश्चन नंबर है suppose, तो उसमें मतलब 2 क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं और 26 का एक क्वेश्चन, तो आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है कि 25 के दोनों क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे आप लोग, तो 26 आप अटेम्प्ट नहीं करोगे, तो वो 2 में से आपको एक क्वेश्चन करना है कोई, ठीक है? क्लियर? Now we'll go to section 4. In section 4, there are 7 questions of 3 marks each, and there are 2 internal choices. So for section 4 will be for how many marks? 21 marks. Yes. Section 3 will be for how many marks? 20 marks. Clear? कोई डाउट है किसी को? कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो.
No, ma'am.
Now we'll go in section 5. In section 5 there are 3 questions of 5 marks each, and there are 3 internal choices. There are how many internal choices? 3 internal choices. किसी को कोई भी डाउट है तो पूछो. So now we have discussed the changed paper pattern. Just a minute, students. So in the new paper pattern, there are 2 parts, that is part A and part B. Part A and part B. In part A, there are 2 sections, section 1 and section 2. In section 1, there are very short type questions, 16 questions, each for 1 mark. In section 2, there are 2 case studies. Each case study contains 5 questions of 1 mark each. You have to attempt any 4 questions from the 5 from each case study. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. In part B, so part A will be for total 24 marks. Now in part B, there are 3 sections, section 3, 4 and 5. Section 3, 4 and 5. In section 3, there are 10 questions of 2 marks, and in that 3 internal choices are there. So total marks for section 3 is 20. Clear? Now in section 4, there are 7 questions of 3 marks each and 2 internal choices are there. Total marks for section 4 are 21. Clear? In section 5, there are 3 questions of 5 marks each and there are 3 internal choices. From 6 you have to solve 3 questions. So marks for section 5 are 15. Clear? See student, in the previous pattern, there were 4 questions for 6 marks. So marks for section D was 24. Now it is reduced to 15. Are you getting? It is reduced to 15. In a section C, there were 6 questions for 4 marks, 24. 24. Now it is reduced to 21. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And there were 6 questions of 2 marks. Now there are 10 questions of 2 marks. See student, this reduced one they have included here. Clear or not? Now you got the new pattern? Yes beta? Start your videos. Start your videos. You got the new pattern now?
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
कोई doubt है इसमें? So the same paper pattern we will follow for the midterm examination. ठीक है? No doubt.
No,
That's
ma'am.
why today I have discussed, means I am having the sample question paper of this year 2020-21. So that this question paper I am having, and in that same pattern board has followed. Okay, so that only I have discussed with you. If any doubt is there, please ask me. Okay, clear? Show your thumb
Yes.
if it is clear. Okay, okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.